Welcome back. Now, the Kenya Development Corporation, KDC, has put out a call to potential investors looking to take up key hotels, including the Hilton and the Intercontinental. KDC, which was holding its inaugural stakeholder conference, is looking to open up investments in government assets through privatization and public-private partnerships. Jimmy Mbogo with more.
The Kenya Development Corporation is now seeking to attract investors in 4 key areas which they say have the greatest potential to grow the country's economy. The sectors which have been dubbed investor-ready comprise of tourism, manufacturing, financial services, and the real estate sectors.
From where I sit, I see immense opportunity even in the emerging sectors. And there is all the possibility that if you create a good environment, the investors will be there always to, expand and explore, scale even the existing ones.
The stakeholders called for the correction of market failure, such as breakdown of linkages, as well as unsustainable funding practices which have rendered projects ineffective, leading to losses, insisting that it would be prudent for players in those sectors to leverage on partnership to ensure they reap the maximum returns. Sentiments echoed by Jua Kali players who say access to market continues to be a hindrance to the sector's growth.
The 3 major issues is access to modern work sites, access to affordable credit, and our markets.
You have seen milk going into drain. You have seen fruits rotting at the market. Why can't our farmers connect to the market? Simply because there's a market failure. Let's look at also the brokers type of people who are in the market value chain. The farmers are not getting the value for their produce.
At the same time, KDC has put out a request to interested investors to make their offers on some of their assets, including 5-star hotels within the capital, such as the 4.7 billion worth Intercontinental Hotel, as well as the 3.6 billion worth Hilton Hotel, where they are looking for an investor to operate or buy as part of their privatization drive. Other assets which KDC is seeking investors include the Mountain Lodge, which has an investment request of 175 million shillings, the Mount Elgon Lodge, which has a value of 112 million shillings attached to it, as well as their coastal properties such as the Ngulia Safari Lodge, Mombasa Beach Hotel, and the Voice Safari Lodge, among others. This comes at a time when the government has been seen to look more towards the private sector as it hopes to offload some of its financial liabilities. Jimmy Mbogo, KTN News.
Cooperative Bank has posted a profit before tax of 22.7 billion shillings in the third quarter of this financial year, up from 16.5